Guys, welcome to What is Novi? This is part 3 of Libra. For those of you who don't know, Libra is Facebook's controversial cryptocurrency that they're launching in January 2021. This is all according to Financial Times, but it appears the project has once again scaled back its ambitions when the Libra Association, the consortium blockchain Facebook co-founded to oversee the project, shared its latest plans in April. It said its goal was to create multiple digital stablecoins of fiat currencies such as dollars, euros, pounds. Well, according to TechCrunch, they explained that stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that fluctuate in value against the real-world money they're based on. In that way, a single stable coin that is backed by a dollar will always be worth $1. The Libra Association had plans to create a composite of all these tokens. The groups came back with these plans after regulators expressed concerns over its original intention to create a cryptocurrency based on a basket of real-world currencies. According to Financial Times, the Libra Association now plans to launch a single coin backed that's going to be dollar-based. The 27-member consortium blockchain reportedly still plans to create their own basket of stocks based on cryptocurrencies. Facebook will likely launch Novi, its Libra wallet, at the same time that it launches Libra, the cryptocurrency. One person involved with the wallet told the Financial Times it's ready being Libra wallet from a product perspective. The app will allow you to send and receive Libra token. You'll also be able to use Messenger, which Facebook owns, and WhatsApp, which Facebook owns, to reportedly manage your Libra balance. Facebook reportedly won't launch Novi everywhere. Instead, it will focus initially on the USA and a couple countries in Latin America where digital currencies are already popular. What the report doesn't tell us is some of the Libra Association's more high-profile members, such as Spotify and Uber, plans to do with the coins when it becomes available. They told the Financial Times they'll take a wait-and-see approach before investing in use cases. Guys, if you found this video very informative, like. If you're interested, subscribe. And I guess I'll see you all in the next one.